What if learning one AI skill today could completely change your income tomorrow? Not by winning the lottery,
Not by becoming famous, but by using artificial intelligence to solve real problems for real businesses.
Across America, thousands of people are already doing exactly that. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing technology, it's creating entirely new opportunities to earn money.
Small businesses need AI-powered content. Online stores need AI-generated product descriptions.
Marketing agencies use AI to brainstorm campaigns. Entrepreneurs use AI to save hours every week. The people earning the most aren't necessarily.
Many of today's AI engineers are actually designers. They are writers, video editors, and marketers. Freelancers and business owners. I use AI to help me write engaging captions. It saves me hours and looks amazing.
Instead of spending hours writing captions, an AI-savvy creator can help produce content in minutes.
Or think about a startup that needs website copy, customer support responses, or presentation slides.
AI helps professionals work faster, allowing them to serve more clients and grow their businesses. But there's an important lesson. AI doesn't replace valuable skills, it amplifies them. The biggest opportunity isn't simply using AI. It's combining AI with creativity, communication, and problem solving. As AI tools become more powerful, the demand for people who know how to use them wisely is expected to keep growing.
The future belongs to those who learn, adapt, and create value. The AI revolution isn't only about robots or automation.
it's about opportunity. The question isn't, will AI make money? The real question is, how will you use AI to create value?
If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to NextGenUSA for more AI documentaries and future tech stories and innovation.